Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So I'd like to show you how to make some chili spare ribs in a oven bag. An oven bag just like you put your turkey in. We're going to put the spare ribs in there for two reasons. We're going to lock in that chili flavor, and also it can make the spare ribs extremely tender, very tender. Okay? So let's do this, okay? And by the way, you know I'm going to spice up that chili sauce, right? Okay, let's do it. Okay, I have a piece of spare rib. It's about 2 bones, but it's pretty big, as you can see. Okay, let's season it up. I got some granulated onion. Black pepper, garlic, alright, now we're going to turn that over, put the same seasoning on. Garlic, pepper, and onion. Okay, so now I'm going to open a jar of chili. This is chili sauce that like you would put in chili beans. So what I'm going to do is put this over here so you can see. I'm going to pour this right into the bag, the oven bag. Okay, I'm just going to put a drop of water in here to collect up everything that's in it. Okay, I have water up to here. Okay, not that much. Alright, and I have some sriracha chili sauce, hot sauce, okay? So we're going to put that in. If you don't want yours to be that hot, don't put yours in. Don't put it in yours, okay? Alright, so now we're going to put the spare rib in here. And we're going to shake that up. Like so, okay? Twist the top. And we put this is the tie here that I'm going to just put around here to close this off. Okay. Like so. We're going to put it in the oven on 350, okay, for probably about 45 minutes. Alright, I'll see you then. I'll be back for the word of the day. Okay, so while our chili spare ribs is cooking in the oven, let me give you the word of the day. So you've fallen and you think you can't get up. So you've fallen and you just think you can't get up. I'm here to tell you, encourage you, you can. Please get up. Look at all the people who have fallen and they got up. Look at Martin Luther King. He fell many times. He was put down, pushed around, jailed, everything. But each time he got up and he kept going. Look at your grandmother, what they went through. You know, they might have went through hard times or didn't know how they was going to pay the rent. They may have fallen for sickness and that sort of thing, but they got up to tell you the story. Look at your mother. Look at your father. They've fallen, you know. They got up. Even some of your kids, they've experienced some hardship. And they fell and they got up. What about you? Okay, maybe you're sick, but you can get up. Maybe not to the same level that you were before, but you can get up. Okay? So just remember, when you feel like you can't make it, when you feel like you've fallen and you don't know how to take the next step, you don't know how to climb the impossible, just remember this. Grandma Ray said, you can get up. So you've fallen, but you can get up. That's the word of the day. Okay. Okay, our chili spare ribs is out. I cooked it for 1 hour. So let's just see how this came out. Oh, the smell hits you right away, the chili seasoning and spice. That's what it looks like. Let's take a temperature. It's piping hot. Oh, we're good and hot. Done. We're 165, so we're done. Definitely. And I guarantee you it's tender because it was in that bag and it locks everything in. Okay, let me let you see this. Oh, I'm going to wipe that clean. I don't want you to see it messed up. How about that, huh? Okay, let me take a taste for you. 1 second. Okay, let's take a taste. I thought it would be hotter, but it's not. So you get a little spice, but not really. It's a pleasant taste. I could go with that. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, check out the links below. Love you. Bye-bye.